In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert video to MP3 audio completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Open up your browser or search engine in a new tab and type in video to MP3 converter and then click enter. Click the first option, free converter. Once loaded, click choose files. Choose from wherever you want to convert the video to MP3 on your PC and then click convert. Wait for this to finish uploading and then click download. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.